cooking class with Ajay began with a fun visit to the market. He asked about my preferences and selected vegetarian dishes accordingly, shopping for the ingredients with me. Afterwards, with the help of the lovely Genevieve and her daughter Rosetta, we prepared the dishes. Every step and ingredient was explained and demonstrated to me in detail. We made jollof rice, kelewele, stew, salad, and freshly squeezed pineapple carrot juice. It was all incredibly delicious. I think I'll be dreaming about that rice for a long time. Luckily, I was able to jot down the recipes and will definitely try them at home. There was a wonderfully pleasant atmosphere in Ajay's kitchen, and I can wholeheartedly recommend this interesting culinary experience. Many thanks again to the three of you. As a Ghanaian, I've been out of touch when it comes to cooking traditional meals, so I decided to try out the cooking class. We learned how to prepare tuwo zofi, a traditional Ghanaian dish, and it was an unforgettable experience. From the moment we walked in, the atmosphere was warm and inviting, and our instructor's passion for Ghanaian cuisine was evident. Tuwo zofi is a comforting dish made with cornmeal and typically served with a rich, flavorful soup and stew. It tasted amazing and I can't wait to cook this back home for my family. I'm sure they'll be surprised. One of the highlights of my trip to Ghana was the cooking class, where we had the chance to prepare traditional dishes like Ghanaian fried rice and the ever-popular jollof rice. Both dishes were delicious, and I can't stop thinking about them. The flavors were rich, and each bite took me deeper into the heart of Ghanaian cuisine. Our cook was fantastic. They took their time to walk us through every step of the process, explaining the ingredients, techniques, and cultural significance behind the dishes. It was such a hands-on experience, and we learned not just how to cook, but also about the tradition and love that goes into every meal. You could feel the passion for food in every detail. Ajay, our guide, made the experience even better. The best cooking class ever. Ajay was very thorough and explained everything step by step. I highly recommend him. Every time I visit, I will always use him. We love Ajay. Ghana has my heart. What an incredible experience. From the people, music, entertainment, traditional fabric, but my highlight was definitely the food. Ajay really knows his way around the kitchen. His jollof was full of flavor and so moist. I had the most amazing experience at Ajay's cooking class. It was a fantastic introduction to Ghanaian cuisine, and I'm so glad I joined. Ajay's teaching style is incredibly approachable and fun. He made the entire process feel easy, even for someone who's not the best in the kitchen. We learned how to make omutuo, rice balls, and peanut butter soup, two classic Ghanaian dishes, and I was impressed by how simple yet flavorful the dishes turned out. Ajay took the time to explain every step, offering great tips along the way. Whether you're new to cooking or just looking to try something different, I highly recommend this class. You'll walk away with delicious food and new cooking skills you can use again and again.